Hello, I want to show you why that Eaglemoss is back as Jones build for this 3D printer. Okay, you may not understand some of this, but I hope I explain it well. Okay, first of all we've got in issue 3 we've got the this bit here where you put the Y shaft and the linear bearing blocks, that bit there, and you've got another bearing block there. You screwed it in, and then you have to take, which is, I don't know, quite see there, that there, that's the bearing block. So basically you screwed it in, and then you have to take it out again to put the Y shaft, just that in. And then again, they kept on doing this in issue 16 and 17. You fitted the shaft fixing base. You fitted the like the top shaft, and then you fitted the one on the bottom. And then you fitted the shaft fixing base, and then you had to take it off. So you had to undo the bolts just so you could fix the linear bearing block, which is that bit there. Then again in issue 24, you fitted the Z shaft and the two shaft fixing base, and you had to undo the screws just so you could fix the Z-axis linear bearing block. So you're like putting screws in, fixing stuff together, and just to take them off again. In issue 26, again, like you fitted shaft fixing base there and there, and then in issue 27 you fitted another shaft fixing base, and the Z shaft, and then you had to take it undo all them screws just to fit the linear bearing block, just that. So why couldn't they supply the, so I'm basically saying, why couldn't they supply the linear bearing block before you fitted the shaft fixing base, which are these bits here. Different part of the build. Like you had to put it on in issue 12. Which is basically this here. You've got this bottom bit here, and then so you've got this top bit here. So you fix the bottom bit to the top bit just to take it off, so you can actually get inside. You know, so you're fixing bits together, and then you have to take them apart. Issue 48. You have to take. You have to fix on the control unit front cover, which is this bit here. The way to fix it up. Got some screws there, but you had to, like, you put on these feet here in an earlier issue, both sides, but then you had to take these 2 feet off, because there's a screw right underneath it. Just about to see it. So I take the feet off just to get them screws. Again, when you're fixing the control unit rear cover, which is this front bit here, you have to undo these feet so you get to that screw there. They've done this the long way round. So in issue 51 and 52, first of all they supplied you main power socket, which goes there in the diagram, but in issue 52 they fitted you the USB board, which goes in that slot there, so you can see, but it's really difficult to fix because you can see that wire there. It gets in the way of fitting. You can see the wire there, just going like that, and that was the only way you could try and fit the USB board there, but it's really hard. The best way I found was to take the mains power socket off. So just so you could fit the USB board. So what they should have done was supply. So 51 should be supplying the USB board so you could fit it there, and then issue 52 should have been the main power socket. So that's the main power socket, so that was 51, and this is the USB board there, which is 52. So really that should be in issue 51, that should be in issue 52, because it was really hard to fit. They've done that the wrong way round. Issue 57. This cover here, in an earlier issue, you fitted this cover here, but then you had to undo it, take it off, just so you fit this wire through. So again, putting bits together, then you have to take it off again just to fit in another part. You know, they could have gave you the wire first, and then you can put the cover on afterwards. Right, there's the cover, and you have to take it off, just fit the wire through, and then put it back on again. And it's 270. All in like this red wire here. Basically, I have to take this whole section off because they replaced. I've already done a video about this. I'll do you a link on it. But replace build plate. So basically, I had to take this off the heater plate, and then there's this metal one underneath, and take this top plate off here. Looks like this was originally. See, this is in issue 36. So originally, part 98 was a heater. So that red wire there, and that's a new one there. The heater clamp. Wire protection coil, wire strengthening clip, small cable tie. So basically, this was the most fiddliest, difficult bit to build. May not look at it, but it was. You had to like put the wire in, and then that's like a plastic wrap. The wire protection coil. So that's where after you fitted the heater, that red wire there, and the heater centre, which is the white wire, you have to like put that next to the wire strengthening strip, and then you have to wrap it round. It was the most difficult bit. Fix it all together, and then in issue 70 they decided that it wasn't working too well, so you have to undo it all. So you have to undo those bits, so you get to it and you take it all apart, work that section apart, and then fitted all the new wires. And then put it all back together again. Issue 74, which I've not got yet because that will be coming tomorrow. Oh yeah. Well, that's 74. As you can see, that's the filament spool. Basically, you have to fix it all together. So, like, that's the middle bit where the filament wraps around. So you've got to fit that bit onto those two bits. So those round plates go on one side, and the round plate goes on the other side. You fix it all together. But then, once you fix it all together, next week you have to take it apart just so you can fit. Like, say that's how that will look like. So you've got to, like, after you fix it together, you've got to take one side off just so you can put the filament on again. You know, so I keep on saying, build things together just to take them apart to change things inside. Look, why can't they make it so you don't have to do that? I hope you understood that, but so that's my little rant over. So hope you enjoy this. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, enjoy now, bye.